Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have an Asus ROG Flow X13. This is the GV301 series. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your speakers. So first thing, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip the computer over to access our bottom case screws. Now you have 11 screws throughout the entire bottom case. After you get those screws out, you're going to take a small, flat, plastic pry tool. I say plastic because it'll scratch your case a lot less than metal will. We usually use a hard guitar pick like you would find in any computer repair kit. And we're going to go around the seam of the bottom case and pry it up from the rest of your computer. Don't put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Keep it on the edge. Go firm but slow and careful. And if you get stuck somewhere, go to the other corner and work your way in the other direction. Once you get your bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a laptop in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging things in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your computer project, there'll be a link below in the description. It'll be a list of all the tools and supplies that I recommend for my viewers. Right under that link, I'll have another list. It'll be all the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model computer if you need those. So here's your battery right down here near the bottom. This battery has a part number of C41N2009. It's a 62 watt hour battery, 15.48 volts. I'll have all that information below in the description if you need it to search for your own replacement. But again, I will have a replacement option for this battery in that list I told you about with all the replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. Before I do anything in a computer, I always either remove or at least unplug my battery. A computer is safer to work on when as little power as possible is running through it. There are 7 screws to remove the battery, and then the battery plugs in right here. Now this isn't a plug, this is more of a snap. It snaps on top. So that white plug right there, you just snap that directly up and off of the motherboard, and that's how you would unplug your battery from the motherboard. Okay, so now that the battery has been removed or at least unplugged, it's safer to proceed deeper into the computer. You have one speaker here on the left side of my screen and one speaker here on the right side of my screen. The left side speaker has the red and black wire that's run down here, underneath your ribbon cables for your touchpad and keyboard, all the way to the right. And the right hand speaker has a blue and white wire that come up here. They join up with the left speaker and they plug into the motherboard right here underneath your solid state drive. Now, as usual, try not to pull on the wires or cables in a computer. You can damage them or even pull them right out of the plug. If at all possible, just manipulate that plug. And this one has grips on either side, so you should be able to easily remove it with your fingernails or a pry tool, wiggle that right out of that plug. The speakers for this computer were kind of hard to find when I looked for them, but I will try to have a replacement speaker option below in the description in that link I told you about with all the replacement and upgrade parts for this computer. And I guess the last shout out that I can make about a speaker replacement like this, if you're having sound quality issues in your computer, the sound is not consistent across different software, it's going in and out. If you're having issues like that, try fully updating your drivers and your system first. Your speakers could be okay. It could be a driver or a system issue. So I will have a link below in the description showing you how to do that, how to update your system, update all of your drivers. Do that first, rule that out before opening up your computer and trying an invasive repair like this. But that's the video, how to open up your X13 and access your speakers. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.